the sports culture has changed over the last 10 to 15 years. Today, a lot of people are, maybe because of IPL, WPL, across sports categories. So, what would be your views on that?
Comes to sports, what it was in our time, I used to go to Shivaji Park to practice and play my cricket, and then it takes so much time, wasted so much. Now there are grounds available everywhere. It comes to Olympic, so the whole it will take 20 years for us to build it. So
What's your presentation all about, and how do you think university should adopt the sports culture within their curriculum?
I did my paper at the second Olympic conference in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar. Concept is where we want to make sure that as Somaiya we presented that in last 8 years.
Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Today we are at Khalina at the Air India Sports Club grounds where the fourth day of PRPL matches are happening. Today is the semi-finals and finals. The first semi-final is on behind you. And today we have a very important guest with us, Mr. Ejaz Khan, who is the sports director of Somaiya University. Mr. Khan, very warm welcome to you at PRPL. Thank you for taking out and coming here and spending some time with us. So the first question to Mr. Khan would be that he's just come back from Gandhinagar where he's presented a paper to the Olympic committee on how to build a sports culture within universities. So, Mr. Khan, could you please throw some light on, what was your presentation all about, and how do you think, university should adopt the sports culture within their curriculum?
First of all, thank you so much, Nandai, for inviting me. Cricket is my first love, so even if I landed at 2 in the morning, I was here. So I want to make sure that I watch these youngsters a game of cricket. Plus, the cause that you called me for is more bigger than anything else. And I believe in recycling, and that's the reason I'm here. My daughter has also worked very hard toward this. So, pleasure being here. Apart from that, yesterday, since I presented my paper at the second Olympic conference in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, where the concept is where we want to make sure that as Somaiya we presented that in last 8 years, how the university should have an ecosystem which should involve everybody studying, should be not forced but should be made compulsory to play a sport every semester, and then they should be awarded with that. So award is what you get a credit, so you need to make sure that you pass that, otherwise you'll not move on, so you will get a repeat a subject. So keeping that in mind, plus as we're just fortunate that we have the grassroots also, we have schools, we have colleges, and then we have the university. So that has given us a good platform to start with this kind of a concept. 8 years back when I took over, the whole idea was to make sure that when we are looking some things like this, a dream that big is where everybody has to play sport, is then we have to have a good infrastructure. With that, we need to make sure that you have enough coaches, because every university or a college or a school will have a PE teacher, which is a physical education teacher. So their job is to make sure that the physical education is about wellness of a body. It's not about the sport or learning the skill. So if you're talking about you want to be a sports university, you want to make sure you promote sport, you should have sport coaches. And they had to be licensed. They cannot be, because over a period of time we have seen as also like somebody was an assistant, over a period of time he became a coach, but he has not been a licensed coach. So that was my biggest concern, to make sure that get that with God's grace and the support of my trust. Currently I think probably we are one of the university who's got almost 100 coaches on board, 70 full-time and 30 part-time coaches, where we not only cater to just to our school, colleges and all that, and we have a basket system where everybody, every college, every program has to take one sports and get a credit for that.
Fantastic.
So this is how I presented, and I was fortunate that they liked the concept, and I was one of the best presenters there.
Fantastic. So that's a lovely proposal. I hope it gets implemented across a wider university ecosystem. So the next question I would probably want to ask you is that today the sports culture has changed over the last 10 to 15 years. Today a lot of people are maybe because of IPL, WPL, ISL, a lot of different sports and Premier Leagues happening across sports categories. So how do you? I mean, how do you see the change happening? Is it, you've been involved with Somaya for the last 8 years? So have you seen the influx of students into sports increasing over the last a few years? Have you seen the quality growing? And the other question, part two of the question is your message to parents and coaches of, when, you see when a young boy or a girl want to take up a certain coach, what would be your message to the parents and coaches on how to deal with it? Most parents want people to study, become something and then take up. So today's sports, but universities are, adopting sports. There are certificates for sports and, it has become like a curriculum. So what would be your views on that? Just a few minutes.
So to start with, as in, because since you said about
Change.
change in the whole bandwidth when it comes to sports, what it was in our time, I used to go to Shivaji Park to practice and play my cricket, and then it takes so much time, wasted so much. Now there are grounds available everywhere. It all has to come from up. So from the time our Prime Minister taken this, where sport, and we are talking about more when it comes to Olympic. So the whole it will take 20 years for us to build there. So for that the preparation is perfect. Everybody is talking about it. Everybody wants to win it. With girls winning the World Cup again, that has created in that gender big time, because that support to the gender was not there. Now everybody will support them. So I feel there a big change. And at Somaya, what we used to be at 2008, around 3,000 students who are participating out of 40,000 students who are participating actively playing sport. The number has gone to 10,000 now. So 10,000 students playing active sport, 3,000 and playing national level, almost 300 plus to the international level. So that is like game changer for us, where we made this happen. And it's not just us, everywhere it's happening. So I feel that's like where I feel at times when there are tournaments used to happen, MSSA, DSO, we would win 1 or 2 medals in a tournament. But now it's become like Somaya, because the type of support that we gave, the training that is there. You see every podium there has to be a name of Somaya coming up. In a football match, I'll just give you an example of football DSO. 4 of our own teams are fighting for the semi-finals. So that is like a big achievement for us, and I know this is what the country is moving forward. It's not just, there are lots of people doing that. Your second thing is a message to the parents. Like when we select a team, we call the parents first. And I said, this is what the team is, this is the plan is. The entire year, we are going to work on your kid. We need your support. That only one thing is to bring them. If you are serious, then forget your holidays, then forget your get together, weddings and all that. Make sure your plan is as per your kid. If you look in a career, because everybody wants their kids to be Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli. But do they know how much hard work their parents, how they have supported, the amount of time they put in? That's what the student need, that support. They should not have a pressure of हम holiday जा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं जाने मिल रहा है. लेकिन अगर seriousness रही हो, और बच्चों को भी मैं हमेशा एक ही चीज़ बोलता हूँ कि if you take every match, it's that serious that it's a final of your life. You don't know tomorrow you'll get a chance, whether you'll be able to play a next match or not. So everything you give your 100% in every match you play, whether it's a practice match or a tournament, you give your 100%, you will not repent even if you lose. So because that's what your heart will say, I've given my everything. So that's how the game has to be enjoyed.
That's beautiful, calling the parents and involving them in the students, in the sports person's regular activities. That's a fantastic thought. One last question. So we have taken the way of cricket to communicate to a wider audience, create awareness, and and we have taken young kids, under 14 school tournaments we are organizing. So do you think it's a right way to reach a wider audience, reach the parents, a wider community? Because through them we want them to want more people to know that plastics, it is bad for the environment, but there is no other way. You have to collect it, you have to segregate it, you have to recycle it. That's how you create a better environment for the next generation, kind of thing. So do you think we have adopted the right medium to communicate the same? And your thoughts on that?
Of course, sport is the medium where everything that can be communicated very fast to public and to the children especially. And cricket is, of course, everybody watches. What better than cricket? Yeah, you're right. So I am pretty much game to a concept like this, where under 14 usually हमारे time पे there used to be only one game you would play in the entire year. You worked hard so much, and there are no tournaments. So in a way, it's promoting the sport also. These children are getting a chance to play extra match. Because when you play an MSSA or Harish Shield, Guy Shield, you are playing only one match in a year. If you are good enough to play the second match, if you win it. So this is another good platform. So both ways you are doing a fantastic job. and recycling is something which is very close to my heart. So I also like to promote this, and I am blessed that you invited me to a cause like this, and hopefully we'll do something together, inshallah.
So, guys, that was Mr. Khan. Thank you very much for being here. And the first match is over. I think let's head towards the presentation ceremony. Thank you, guys.
अब थर्मोकॉल रिसाइकल करेगा भारत।